Okay, I'm going to show you something stupid. Today, we're going to make line sounds. So, first thing you want to do is find your video. And then, like, download it or whatnot. And then, what you do is you get it. And then, you speed it up so it matches your pitch. Yeah, right there. Sounds like a monkey. So, then you record it. Oh, nope, wrong button. So then you record it. And then you slow it down, like that or so, and then you play it. And now you have a realistic lion. It's so stupid. This is my voice. What?